Shwmae a chroeso I ail rhan uned 8. Yn ni'n edrych ar ddodiad at, a very useful preposition at, which can be used with words such as, os ych chi'n edrych ar dudalen 66 a 67, ych chi'n gweld anfon at, to send to, ysgrifennu at, to write to, mynd at, to go to, but to go to a person, not to a place. Cofiwch, mynd I is to go to a place. Mynd at is to go to see a person. Yeah? Cofio at, to be remembered to somebody, or to give somebody regards, and edrych ymlaen at, to look forward to. So we'll just look at tudalen 66, to start with 66, and anfon at, to send to. Anfonodd John e-bost at Chris. Yeah? John sent an email to Chris. So the translations are there, so if you need to look at them, they're there. But ail adroddwch os gwelwch yn dda, just repeat after me now. Anfonodd John e-bost at Chris. Anfonodd John e-bost ata I. Anfonodd John e-bost ata ti. Anfonodd John neges ato fe. Anfonodd John neges ati hi. Anfonodd John lythyr ato ni. Anfonodd John lythyr ato chi. Anfonodd John flodau atyn nhw. And that can be used again with ysgrifennu at. We'll just go through the sentences you have there. Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at Elin? Have you written to? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at Elin? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at Emyr? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at y plant? Wyt ti wedi postio cerdyn at Sian? And you could use these prepositions and the different people. I'll run through them, just those four again. And we'll change some of the names as well. Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at Elen? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu ati hi? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at y plant? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu atyn nhw? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu at Gareth? Wyt ti wedi ysgrifennu ato fe? And then ar tudalen 67, you can see this mynd at, to go and to see, to go to the dentist or to the doctor. You go to a person, so mynd at. Felly, we just go through, the question form is there now, so we'll just ailadrodd os gwelwch yn dda. Pryd rwyt ti'n mynd at y deintydd? Pryd rwyt ti'n mynd at y doctor? Pryd rwyt ti'n mynd at yr optegydd? Pryd rwyt ti'n mynd at y reolwr? And additionally, pryd wyt ti'n mynd ato fe? Pryd rwyt ti'n mynd ati hi? Cofio at, to be reminded to give somebody regards. So somebody says, dwi'n mynd I weld Sean fory. Oh, cofio fi ato fe. Cofio fi ato fe. Cofio fi ato fe. Remind me to him. Cofio fi ati hi, yeah? Or remind me to her, yeah? Remind me, give her my regards. Cofio fi atyn nhw, yeah? Cofio fi atyn nhw, give them my regards, remember me to them. Cofio fi at bawb, give my regards to everybody, Cofio fi at bawb. So we just run through these again. Ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Cofio fi ato fe, cofia fi ato fe. Cofia fi ati hi. Cofia fi atyn nhw. Cofia fi at bawb. And finally, yn yr uned yma, edrych ymlaen, edrych ymlaen, to look forward to, to look forward to something. So we have a list there of things ar dudalen 67. We'll just run through the questions there. So eto, ailadroddwch os gwelwch yn dda. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y briodas? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y briodas? Briodas, wedyn. Cyfarfodydd, meetings. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y cyfarfodydd? Arholiadau, exams. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at yr arholiadau? Criced, cricket. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y criced? Cyfweliadau, interviews. Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y cyfweliadau? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y ddrama? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y cyngerdd? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y gystadleuaeth? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y dosbarth? Wyt ti'n edrych ymlaen at y ffair? So dyna'r uned yr arddodiaid. So that's the unit there done. Edrychwch chi ar help llaw. Edrychwch chi ar help llaw ac ymlaen i uned 9. Pob hwyl am y tro.